A high-performance team is built on four fundamental qualities of EI, emotional intelligence. Number one, trust. Number two, empathy. Number three, assertive communication. Number four, team spirit. What it takes to build a high-performance team in organizations and especially in office spaces. It's a million-dollar question. Consider any sporting teams, championship teams such as American football, basketball, baseball, soccer, or cricket is team spirit apart from sporting skills and physical abilities. When it comes to office spaces, accounting, law firms, government offices, and IT sector, how do you build high-performance teams? When multiple teams are involved with different personalities and communication style, the project is impacted by production delays and expensive defects. A high-performance team is built on four fundamental qualities of EI, emotional intelligence. Number one, trust. Trust is something that cannot be bought or built overnight. When I say I trust my team, it means that I can take a responsibility for an issue that has happened without any fear or negative consequences. That helps performance. Why? I'm not trying to cover my tracks, rather helping the team to figure out how to fix the issue. Number two, empathy. Does my team deal with me empathetically? Consider a scenario. An issue happens and the management is asking for reasons or explanation. Does my project manager or the team defend me or criticize me and assign the blame? It is about taking a collective responsibilities rather than finger pointing and playing games. What does it do in the office space, within the team morale? I am more confident. I feel that my team is out there to cover my back. So as a team, we are focusing to fix the issue rather than diverting the real cause, which also helps in performance. Number three, assertive communication. During our team meetings, what sort of communication do we have? Is it aggressive communication or a passive communication or assertive communication with active listening? Does my views, opinions are listened to during my team meetings? Am I given an opportunity to express my views, which is very important in creativity? Number four, team spirit. Does my team members are self-centered or team-oriented? Are they sociable? Are they helping, giving, willing to do the knowledge transfer? Are they flexible and adaptable to different cultures, different work styles? Does my views and opinions matters to them? Am I respected? The moment every team member feels that he or she is part of the team, what happens naturally? Performance goes up. Why? Because I feel that I don't want to let my team down, or I don't want my team to fail. So I give more than 100%, which helps to finish the projects on time, on budget, with minimum issues or defects. How do you build high-performance teams? The way to go is bring in EI culture, EI program into your organizations and teams. When teams can function effectively, can communicate like a breeze, the manager is able to communicate to the team members and the team members are responding with sincerity, which helps the organization in the long run. For this dream to be realized, please contact Emotional Intelligence Consulting Group and let's see how a EI program that is tailored to your organization or teams can be implemented. And to do that, we do a 2-hour, 1 to 3 hours workshop on emotional intelligence, give the awareness and also do a self-assessment and personal coaching if needed.